everybody. I want to show you everybody's. There's a train, but I want to show you something inside the Thomas. Rest in peace, cargo car. Look at what happens to this thing. Look at this. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, Mattel. I'm wondering if a train hit it. I wonder if somebody put it on the track. I think what happened, because of what it looks like, I think somebody put it on the wheels and left it there, and then a train came by and it's like, you and then landed right there. That's so sad. I don't really like Trackmaster 2, but it's a good thing. I mean, it's not better than Tommy or better than Trackmaster 1, but still. Like, look. People won't even know what this thing is. This belonged to a Toby, I think. I mean, it used to be hard and rough, but now, one hit, it's destroyed. Well, you should see that. But who in Mattel's name would put it on the railroad tracks and wait for it to die? If so, Cassidy? Yeah? Something happened. What?
Better come here.
What?
Look inside.
What is inside?
A playroom.
Yeah. Who in the name of Somerville Steam Special would do this? Homie, did you do this to this truck? Let me know in the comments so 630 can run you over.
Come here.
Right here. What is it? What is it?
Look through here.
What is it?
It's our playroom again. Go.
Okay, well, see ya. I'm also having a new reaction to something for that, but see ya. And also tell me in the comments who done this. Bye.